Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to open files and folders in Google Drive, a simple but essential skill. First, navigate to Google Drive in your browser and log in with your Google account. Once you're on the Drive dashboard, you can either browse manually or use the search bar at the top to quickly find files or folders by name, type, or even words within a document. For example, if you're looking for a folder named Projects, type it into the search bar and hit Enter. Your matching files and folders will appear in the results. Once you find the folder, double-click it to open it. Inside, you'll see all the files it contains. To open a specific file, just double-click on that file. Google Drive will open it in the appropriate Google app like Docs for documents, Sheets for spreadsheets, or Slides for presentations. And that's it. Using the search bar and double-clicking makes navigating Google Drive quick and easy, helping you stay organized and productive.